Hey everybody, this video, pretty much making this so I can get this awesome key in a video. It's diamond encrusted butterfly flowers. This came out of a realtor lockbox, and this came from a job quite a while ago. It was on a garage door that I had to pick open and I actually replaced with an electronic Schlage lock. So I don't have a key for it. It was a foreclosed property. So before I pick it here, I'm going to actually take the clip off just so I don't accidentally lock it back. And of course, with no clip, you want to be real careful when you're picking it, because you can actually pull the plug out if you're not careful. Especially when you're raking it. I actually wouldn't even try raking it without some kind of clip on the back of it. I can't remember if I raked or single pin picked that. Probably raked it. Okay, so we're open, and we're gonna rekey it to our awesome flower butterfly diamond key. And I already actually measured the cuts on it and got the pins out. I think it was 62433. Nope, last one's definitely not a 3, or the pins are mixed up here. Let me take a look at the key here. Nah, looks like it's actually a 4, actually eyeballing it. Yeah, that looks like that's gonna work. Works good. And we'll just reassemble it here. And then just chuck it in my box of junk locks. And that'll do it for this video, and I will talk to everybody later.